Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of More with E Mondays. It's your girl E, and boy don't I have a treat for you today. Now remember, last week I showed you the opening of the Nama Juicer. Now today I'm going to show you a great juice that I've made. Now please, before we get into that, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at More with E. Follow, and let's get right to it. The juice I will be making today is called Australian Gold, but I love to call it Liquid Gold. It is very good and has a great combination of fruits and veggies. It also helps out with your blood pressure, immune system, and vision. So, what you'll need is 1 pineapple, 2 yellow bell peppers, 2 lemons, a thumb size of ginger. This will make about 32 ounces total. Next, we'll plug it up and turn on our Nama Juicer. Then once it's on, we'll start to place all of our chopped ingredients inside of the juicer. What I love is how easy it is to insert all the fruits and veggies. It also filters out the juice thoroughly and combines the ingredients together so well. Look how vibrant the color is and how tasty the juice looks too. Now, to store your juices, make sure you use an airtight sealed jar, which should last 3 to 5 days refrigerated. This is by far one of my favorite juices, and it's healthy and good for you too. So if you're looking for something sweet with a little tangy flavor, then the Australian Gold, aka Liquid Gold, is for you. There you have it. That was the Australian Gold. I like to call it Liquid Gold. It is so tasty. You have to try it. Also, if you're looking for the Nama Juicer, the link is in the description down below. And please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, please. Also, follow me on Instagram at Real Vegan Vibes and my personal page at More with E. So you can catch me next week here on More with E Mondays on Vegan Vibes. It's your girl E. I'm out.